How are you? I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Today we will learn English. So be ready to study. Today's topic is phonic sound with vowel I. So please open your English book, page 29. So let's study. Phonic sound with IN. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. P-I-N, pin. This is a pin. P-I-N, pin. R-I-N, rin. S-I-N, sin. T-I-N, tin. This is a tin. T-I-N, tin. Phonic words with I-T. Bit. B-I-T, bit. H-I-T, hit. F-I-T, fit. L-I-T, lit. S-I-T, sit. W-I-T, wit. Next phonic words with I-P. D-I-P, dip. H-I-P, hip. L-I-P, lip. Look at me. This is my lips. T-I-P, tip. W-I-P, whip. Z-I-P, zip. This is a zip. Z-I-P, zip. Next phonic words with I-D. B-I-D, bit. D-I-D, dit. H-I-D, hit. L-I-T, lit. This is a lit. This is a lit. L-I-D, lit. R-I-D, rit. K-I-D, kit. These are kids. Next phonic words with I-L-L. B-I-L-L, bill. F-I-L-L, fill. H-I-L-L, hill. K-I-L-L, kill. N-I-L-L, nil. P-I-L-L, pill. So our lesson ends here. Thank you. Bye children.